Let's add a bit of bounce to the model by adding physics. To begin, make a simple physics node. Go to the Inspector tab to give it a new name. If we go down, we will see it has a parameter slot that is currently unassigned and a type which is set to pendulum. I will be changing this to spring pendulum because I like my physics bouncy. I will also set mapping mode to XY. I will leave the other options as is, so let's move on and make a parameter to assign to the physics. Let's name this iBounce and zoom in so we can see better. For rigging, you can do this the normal way, but since I just want to pull and squish, I will use the scale option in the Inspector tab. I will unarm the parameter button to check my work. Good enough. Now, grab the parameter and drag it up to the Inspector tab and then down to the unassigned slot. If you go back and you'll move the parameter around, nothing happens anymore. I should have done this earlier, but set the gizmo position. To tell the physics when to work, we will change the position to down when the lid closes. Recheck the eye open, and if something is off, reset it. Now, when the blink happens, the physics node moves with it, and don't forget to unarm the parameter so we can see the effects. There we go. To copy the physics to the other eye, make a new parameter and simple physics node. Copy and paste the previous left eye bounce into the right one. Adjust the settings for the right physics node in the Inspector tab and assign the new parameter to it. Just checking, and don't forget to rig. And there, we have a nice and bouncy eye. See you in the next video.